Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. This is part 2 of the chase report of week 27, 2020, in which I will open up 2 of these Hot Wheels 9-packs. They have mainline cars and multi-pack exclusives in them, mostly licensed cars. That's how I like to buy them. So there were a lot of reductions on these. Normal price $16.99 in euro, that is. Reduced to $11.99, and I got an extra 10% off, so $10.79, so €1.20 per car. That is an okay price for Europe. So let's start with this first one. 2 fantasy cars in there. One of them I like, and the others are licensed. There's even a Bugatti Chiron in there. Did not have the black one yet, so this was right up my alley, just what I needed. Here we got the first 2020 multi-pack exclusive, the 69 Copo Camaro in purple. So it's got a gray base, so you get some gray as bumpers and as grille and on the side pipes here. Or at least they look like side pipes. I don't know if they actually are. Seems like it. It's got some stuff going on in the paint on top there, so that's not really very attractive. Just some side deco, nothing on top or front or rear. So pretty limited deco wise. And we got the Greenwood Corvette 1976 in light blue. So this one has the lensed headlights. This is a 2020 mainline. Also has a side exhaust, by the way. Also a gray base. Then we got the 65 Corvette in dark blue. Well, it's actually more light blue in the front and darker blue in the rear, it seems. This is also a 2020 multi-pack exclusive. This one's got a chrome base, so we get the chrome bumpers and some side deco. Again, nothing front or back, and a basic interior. We got the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo in gold. This was new in 2020. This is a mainline release. So we get some color in the front and some details on the taillights and the turbo logo. That's perfect. Don't need more than that. Well, I don't know if there's supposed to be a Porsche logo on there, but it is not tampoed. It is molded in the casting though. Nice one. Let's go to the other Porsche first. I like that there's 2 Porsches in one 9-pack. The 96 Porsche Carrera, the 993 model in yellow. 2020 mainline in the Porsche series. So we got black rims, headlights and Porsche logo, tampoed. And then we get the taillight. Very detailed because it's got the reverse lights in it also. Carrera name and the grille. Top of the engine painted. Exhaust are part of the base. Nice. This one doesn't seem to roll very well. I don't know what's wrong with that, but it's kind of stiff. Then we got the 2016 Bugatti Chiron, or Bugatti Chiron in French. Metallic black. 2020 mainline. So we get side deco and we get front deco. Nothing in the rear, but that's okay. So cool to get this version also. Then we got the track ripper. So it's got the adjustable spoiler in the front. Yeah, click. Goes up and down. Kind of a burnt orange color with some blue and greenish accents. So side deco and on top. Metal wing. And it's in the Speed Blur series, so you get the gray tires and blue rims on this one. It's a cool fantasy model because it looks kind of realistic. Makes me think of a Camaro in the front for some reason. Now we got this thing, whatever it is, tune it up, who cares. And then the custom Volkswagen Beetle in kind of a maroon color. This is the exclusive decoration vehicle in this 2029 pack. So you got the two exhausts on each side of the engine cover. Got the gas filler cap in the window. Some deco on the side, and on the front headlights are part of the chrome base. Yeah, we get a basic interior, but you know, everything's there, so very cool, very nice, exclusive. And then we got the second one. These are all licensed vehicles, so no fantasy junk in here. Same price on this one, got it from the same store. So here we got the Lotus Esprit S1 in dark green, 2020 multipack exclusive, nice wire wheels, green base, so you get this rocker panel that is also green. It's very nicely done. Esprit name on the side, door handle painted black. No details on the rear, unfortunately. Usually it has that, has the taillights done. So only side deco, and that is a bit disappointing. Not even a Lotus logo tampoed in the front. Oh well, it is what it is. The bumpers are part of the black interior. It's still a nice model though. 2017 Ford GT in orange, a 2020 multipack exclusive also. So get Ford logo headlights and then the Go Faster stripe all across the top. Kind of bronze colored rims. Nothing in the back, but you know, already get the top done very nicely. So I'm fine with that. We've got the Super Volt in yellow, 2020 multipack exclusive also. So chrome interior, and this electric motor in the front is part of that. And the chute also. Metal wing on the back. A blue ring on the rims. It says Volt on the side. Another Bugatti Chiron. Another Copo Camaro. This one does not have the issue on top, so kind of good. I get a better version. Here we got the Porsche 356A Outlaw in a metal flake silver. This is a 2020 multipack exclusive. So you get the fuel filler cap that is part of the interior. 50 roundel. It's got some logos on the side that I don't know what they exactly mean. A very nice one to have. Gray base, so the grills here in the bumper are part of the gray base, and the exhaust also. Cool model. You get the 92 Ford Mustang in orange, 2020 mainline. Kind of a goofy one. Not really my cup of tea, but anyways. It's licensed, rather that than a fantasy model. And the 55 Chevy in white, a 2020 multipack exclusive also. gray base, so we get gray bumpers and grille instead of chrome. Nicely detailed on the side. It says Bel Air there. It's got a bubble on top. That's unfortunate. So, well, what can you do? It is what it is. But it's a nice model nonetheless. And then the exclusive decoration vehicle in this 2020 9-pack is the 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT in black. Side deco, it says Dodge here. Yellow stripe on the rims and on the side of the vehicle. And the roof part is part of the window piece. Nice bucket seats in there. That's nice. Looking good. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.